Hey everyone, so here is new trending app called noplace make new friends. So right now it's in top charts in social networking, so it's hyped up also on TikTok. So it's kind of very similar to Twitter, but it's more like teenager oriented. It has some nice features, which I'll try to explain to you. So yeah, go ahead and install this app. It's basically a free app and super easy just to install. It was for a while called No Space, then it was in test flight. I had it installed already like for a few months via test flight, but now it's been open to everyone. So yep, basically you just installing it, and to create your account, you just enter your mobile phone number. You can use any phone number, not only US. It's app available worldwide, and then basically yeah, you just enter a phone number, receive confirmation code, and then create your account. At the moment there is no wait list, so it's good. And then yeah, that's what it is. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, there are some community rules. It looks kind of like Twitter, so there are no images, there are no videos, just purely text, short text messages. But it has very nice and funky design and some nice features. So one of those features, so you see here, here is the feed, and these are like notes. As I understand, these are tweets, and like comments are called notes here. So if you just um, yeah, you can just tap on here, and then you just tap uh, and then just tap a post. So these are called nodes. And then basically yeah, another feature is boosting. So basically if you just tap and hold on the post, you can boost this post, and you will see there is kind of like some nice design, and you just add in points to this post. So this is the same as adding upvotes. So this is nice design way to add boosts. So pretty cool. Instead of upvotes or adding a lot of likes, you just add in a boost. So it's pretty cool. And this app has a lot of things like that, so it's just fun to use. And then yeah, you can just tap through those here, whatever. You can just report. But then you have your profile. So your profile, the cool part is that you can just customize your own theme in a way. So let's select. So for example, I just want to select different background. From here, I just select which color I want my text to be. For example, and secondary text. What is yeah? So for example. And then, yeah, so that's what you have here. And then you can customize all of things, boxes, just canvases, profile pictures, um, yeah, all of things, badges and things like that. And then you just tap save. Oops, something is wrong. And then if, for example, I just customize it like this, and all friends who are visiting my profile will see a different theme. And some people are, spending some really big time here, so you can really polish your profile and make it stand out. So then you just have your profile picture, which you can add here. So there are different types of profile pictures. Then you have your username, which should be like unique. So that's your username. It says already taken, whatever. So that's what it is. Then you have your bio, date of birth, which you can't change. So just be careful. Gender, and then interested in and relationship status. So this is not a dating app, but they still have it here. Then you have about me, and then you have your different statuses, which you can add here. So your different hobbies, what you like. Like what things like in music do you like? Which artists do you like? Pop culture, in lifestyle. So yeah, just you can add all of this. currently listening, so you can add a song here. So you just search for a song and add it. So that's another thing. Then currently watching, you can add a show from here. So also just add in a show movie. Currently reading, and then you just add in a book. Uh, okay, our book library isn't working right now. And then currently eating, doing, playing. So you just send in, creating your status. Then also another feature is that like you have friends here, and you can so this of your friends, for example, and then you can just add your top 10 friends to display. So just drag people here to have friends, and then just tap save. So as an example, then wall post. I frankly I don't know what that is. So this is just what you can create probably, and then all updates. There is a log of your updates. If you wanna, you can delete just the log. So yeah, whatever posts or changes you're doing, it will be reflected on your log. And then yep. Then another thing is that level. So the more you're active in this app, the more you're posting, the more your level will grow. I don't know whether it's gonna reset next day or how exactly that works, but that's another cool, interesting feature. So that you have kind of like level depending on how much engagement and time you're spending in this app. I don't know exactly on which this level depends and what is that about, but yeah, this is another cool feature here. So yep. Then another thing is that like you have some badges. So if you also complete some tasks and do some milestones, you will have your badges. So kind of like, just achievements unlocked. So I don't have any, but seems you need to be more time in the app. And also against the username in the top, you see like a green check, which signifies that you're online. So this is kind of online status. So yeah, bunch of interesting issues in this app, which you can really explore. So as I said, like you customize your profile, you add in friends, and yeah, chats. So badges, then pick your 10 friends, hold down to boost. Then in top there is like a invite, where you can generate cards to invite. So this is like your invite code. I don't know why they need invite codes yet. Maybe it was left over from test flight or whatever. But now this app seems to be open to everyone. Unlockable features. I don't know what that is. But anyhow, then here you can enable dark mode, share idea, privacy. Here you can see a blocked users, muted users, content preferences. Also from here you can change your phone. Then in want to leave section, you can actually export your data. You can also just log out, and then you can delete your account. So yeah, if you want to delete your account, just delete it from here. So yep, and then all right, so here are some like chats. Here you can also chat. You can also create a new chat. You can create a new group chat with multiple people. So that's a nice thing to chat with your friends. Then also you can just find friends. You can just find friends by username. Like for example, yeah, just find them by usernames. There is no display names, there are only usernames here. You can also find people by different kind of categories and stars. And then in plus, you can also create a new update. So as you can see, you can't add photos here. You just post in a new update, and that's it. So that's basically the idea. So yeah, you just add in an update, and yeah, so that's just what it is here. So at the moment, that's what you have. So this is how it looks like in a nutshell. In top right, you will receive notifications of what's going on. Someone boosted, so it means someone tapped on my comment. Uh, so yep, that's just what you have. Yeah, what else? So this is just like, a funky app. So if you're really tired of Twitter, or like, I don't know, like Blue Sky, or all, this is still Blue Sky is a new app, but this is kind of like a teenager Twitter app. It has a lot of funky features, it's a really nice design, easy to use. So yeah, that's basically what it is here. Um, so at the moment, that's just what you have, and so yep, that's where it is. So have fun with this app. Pretty cool idea. At the moment, it's going viral on TikTok. So I will try to discover it more. There are a bunch of other features. As you can see here, you can still customize your profile, add your faves, make new friends, add your music, update your current vibe. So that's the idea. Try it out.